I am cleaning your mess. Speaker, this is agreement that was signed by the Ghana Revenue Authority. That's what I'm doing. By the previous administration. By the previous administration.
Paul our man now so was saying the camp for no ampa Dr. Keso Addo Forson, the able finance minister, in the name said it has been 10 months or so for him in office, but yet, or yes, signs and wonders. Now, after the 2026 budget, not just will read the parliament, Afenyo to Ghana for no, there has been a lot of debate around this whole thing. And in the budget, he stated, said, the Tata Consultation, which is an international company, will be giving 10 million tax exemption. That is a taxes in any manual do on my 20% off being at the other. Now this contract, you know, when the thing came, you know, the MPP they are saying it's a MP there will be no tax or exemption. Now when a doctor sorry and was say now what for the say and Crofoya, you were the same people who signed this contract. And that Nana Addo down Bawumia government, mu NPP fui, Mwana Mosaye, and Afenyo so and some no think about Parliament House of Ghana, and some about Ministry of Finance one. But yeah, who the yeah, and a modern assembly, yeah, the buy on a contract no mama GR for sign. So if you are the same people saying that yempena, the question is, why an empty? And Afenyo so more NPP fui. One is a muya de na for the government to follow. It's a net moboni and mudian. And or more has said or mobile correcting near my one or mobile sham from Sobia one. So if you see you people ranting, yampena, or so who born dog. A hanum LBJ so Kaitoba subscribing. After so you are selling in the mouth. The next thing is you do all to leave a comment. Yente Dr. Keso Addo Forson, Paul our man.
About 1 month to the general elections. In fact, on the 4th of November 2024, an addendum was signed by Tata Consultancy Services Limited and GRA. And Commissioner General Julie Esiam signed on behalf of the GRA. Mr. Speaker, the details are as follows. It says that subject to approval provided by Parliament of Ghana, Tata Consultancy Service is entitled to 20% withholding tax exemption from 1st of January 2025 till the end date as set out under clause 4 of the SOW. Mr. Speaker, it says that GRA shall be responsible and do all such act required for obtaining such approval from Parliament. Mr. Speaker, my principle still holds. My position on tax is unwavering. Mr. Speaker, everyone knows my views about tax exemptions. But Mr. Speaker, this is agreement that was signed by the Ghana Revenue Authority, by the previous administration, imposing an obligation on the people of Ghana. So, Mr. Speaker, the key point here is that the GRA is entitled to ensure that 20% withholding tax is given to Tata Consultancy Service. So, Mr. Speaker, I have not signed this contract. In fact, the new Commissioner General, Mr. Anthony Sapon, never signed this contract. Mr. Speaker, the only reason why I am bringing this to Parliament is that, Mr. Speaker, Tata Consultancy Service, first, is a foreign company. And before this contract should have been signed, Mr. Speaker, they should have come to Parliament under Article 1815. Mr. Speaker, they did not come to you under Article 1815 of the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, I'm here to make sure that the right thing is done. I am cleaning your mess. That's what I'm doing. Mr. Speaker, apart from that, Mr. Speaker, this tax obligation, the Ministry of Finance cannot sit at the office and approve it. I am bringing it, Mr. Speaker, for approval because, Mr. Speaker, if you look at the wording in the addendum, it further states that the GRA shall be responsible and do all such acts required for obtaining such approvals from Parliament of Ghana and immediately notify Tata Consultancy Services of such approval. Mr. Speaker, I'm only doing my work. I'm only doing what I have been asked to do.
The finance minister for us, Dr. Keso Forson, said concerning the 2026 budget, as we read the and who debate at a parliament action about Sadisre, if you now, asemu. I had every day so can subscribe. After you are selling, the next thing is you do well to leave a comment.